happens to everyone. You're enjoying the outdoors and all of a sudden, nature calls. But how do you pee outside? Where does your teepee go? Don't worry, we'll walk you through it. Human urine is largely sterile and doesn't have the pathogens and bacteria that our solid human waste does. This is important to remember and why we don't necessarily need to dig a cat hole when we have to pee. However, our urine can still introduce contaminants into water sources, attract animals, and cause social impacts. To minimize these impacts, there are a few things to keep in mind. To avoid social impacts, it is best to pee around 200 feet or 70 big steps away from trails, campsites, climbing routes, and any other high-traffic areas. Studies have detected pharmaceuticals and other contaminants in high alpine lakes from people peeing in or around them. To protect these resources, it is also best to pee 200 feet away from natural water sources. This buffer filters these contaminants out before they reach the water. In many high-flow waterways, with over 500 cubic feet per second of flow rate, it is okay to pee in the water. This high flow rate will be enough to dilute the contaminants. Wildlife may also be attracted to our pee. Some salt-craving animals, such as mountain goats, will dig at the pee spot and try to lick up the salt, damaging the vegetation. When possible, try to pee on a durable surface, such as rocks or pine duff, rather than in vegetation to avoid this. Some recreation takes place in areas of special ecological concern, such as caves or big wall rock climbs. This requires that we pack out even our liquid human waste with the help of a wag bag. It is always a good habit to check local guidance for the areas you plan to visit. Lastly, if you decide to utilize toilet paper, make sure you have a plan for how you're going to dispose of it properly. Toilet paper can take over a year to decompose and is unsightly to other visitors. Pack it out or use a reusable pee cloth, which can be DIY'd or purchased from our store. By following these Leave No Trace tips, the next time nature calls, you'll be ready to answer.
What up, nature?